Today's inspirations brought to you by Nader Sabry. Compassion. Too often today we find that compassion is being replaced by transactions. We have lost the sense of what's really important, which is the human connection to form meaningful relationships. This is often confused with transactions. People spend time and invest in other people. Whether it be personal or business, this is a straightforward equation. We do business and spend time with people that we actually like. However, when this is confused with transactions, things go haywire and we lose that compassion. Take the opportunity today to express compassion to people around you. The doorman who opens the door for you, the taxi driver that gets you door to door safely, a colleague, a family member, or even someone you've never met before on the street by just simply smiling to them. For more information about growth hacking, innovation, and entrepreneurship, visit www.nadersabry.com.